Active Directory and DNS backup. Two types of requirement are there. It depends on the company what they want. One is they want only DNS. So at that time you have to perform this configuration. Now for example, company wants like, no, I want Active Directory and DNS both. I don't want only DNS. At that time, how you are going to do it? So that is what RODC server, read only domain controller. So simple steps. First of all, I will just delete this because it's already configured. So I will delete because Active Directory I'm going to configure. Delete. Yes. So now whatever I'm going to show is RODC server. How to create RODC server. That means Active Directory and DNS backup. So when you do RODC in the same server, don't forget to remove the zone transfers. All right. Now what we need to do, first of all, remove this DNS role.
अभी नया सर्वर बोला तो 12 में 16 में इंस्टॉल करना है नहीं
कुछ भी आपकी मर्जी.
मतलब सिर्फ वो आईपी एड्रेस को लिंक कर देना है.
हाँ. So there are two types of scenarios you may get. One, maybe they want like only DNS backup. At that time, you have to do the DNS zone transfer. If they want with Active Directory, they want a DNS backup, then RODC server. Read only domain controller. Now read only domain controller का मतलब है this DC Active Directory and DNS is configured, correct? Just migrating this HTTPS and DNS from one DC to your RODC. It's just the backup. No problem, we can rename it.
Is it possible to rename that?
Computer name you're asking?
PC and
Yeah, that one it what is the mix? You can rename it, right? Here you can rename, no? Done. That is not a big issue. All right. So now how to configure this RODC? Manage, add roles and features. Next, next, next. Just install Active Directory. That's it. No need to go with DNS. Just install Active Directory. Next, 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 install. So when we have done DNS backup, we have just installed DNS. when we are doing RODC, just Active Directory you have to install. No need both. Active Directory will automatically install DNS and configure it. You don't have to do anything. That is the RODC part. So that's why I told there are two situations. If they want only DNS, then DNS zone transfer. If they want with DNS Active Directory, then RODC you have to create.
ये RODC बोले तो उसमें पूरा दो भी मिलके आता है क्या?
हाँ
DNS और DNS और ADDS.
हाँ दोनों ही आएगा एक साथ.
अगर दोनों को भी बैकअप लेना हो तो खाली ये ADDS इंस्टॉल करना है क्या?
हाँ.
और DNS को?
अगर DNS को करना है तो DNS जोन ट्रांसफर.
सिर्फ वो सिंगल जोन ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं.
हाँ
वो आपने अनइंस्टॉल कर दिया ना उसको. वो कैसा
हाँ
था?
DNS जोन ट्रांसफर को मैंने इंस्टॉल करना है क्योंकि मुझे अभी RODC करना है ना. दोनों एक साथ का काम नहीं है.
नहीं मतलब अभी दोनों करना है ADDS और DNS.
अभी देखो फॉर एग्जांपल DNS जोन ट्रांसफर मैंने करके रख दिया है.
हाँ.
आई हैव ऑलरेडी डन DNS जोन
हाँ
ट्रांसफर.
बट अनइंस्टॉल भी कर दिया ना.
अब सुनो पहले. DNS zone transfer we have done. Now, if I want to do RODC, obviously I need to install only Active Directory. Active Directory will try to patch that DNS from main DC, but it's already zone transferred, so there will be a clash. So that's why, like, there will be two situations. It will not be crisscross like that. The DNS zone transfer is already there. You do make it ADDC. It will never be like that. Either DNS zone transfer is the requirement, or Active Directory with DNS will be requirement. It will not a DNS zone transfer. You one day they have said DNS zone transfer, you do it. Again, another day they will say no. With DNS zone transfer is there, okay, keep it, make it ADDS also. They will never say like that. It's not possible. So our two situation, either DNS zone transfer, if they want that no, not only DNS zone transfer, I want both. ADDS and DNS. At that time, you have to remove DNS zone transfer and make it install ADDS. So now here ADDS I have installed. Here it's asking promote this server to a domain controller. So I will just go with the flow how we have done in previously. Here three options are there. Usually we used to go with the add a new forest, but now we are creating RODC. Read only domain controller. That means one domain controller I want to add in an existing domain itself. There is a DC which already created, and I'm creating this server as a backup. So first one I need to select. Add a domain controller to an existing domain. That means creating a backup server, ADDS DNS. Down you can see supply a credential to perform this operation. So I need to give, here you can see domain, what is written? RODC. But I need Microsoft, not RODC. So administrator @Microsoft.com. Done. This is very important.
Password it should be administrator.
Administrator password.
Username we should give one.
Now you can see Microsoft.com is came. Now to verify, just click on select here. Retrieving domains, if it shows, then only it will create RODC. Otherwise, it will not create. Next. Can you see here read only domain controller? Click on that. Site name, default site name, no problem, no need to change. Then do what? as it is what you have done before. Yes. And how you have configured, you just go forward. Next, no need to do anything. Here you can see replicate from. From whom it should replicate? tc.microsoft.com. That means from here it will migrate everything to RODC. Next, 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 next. Stop. Now here you will see ADDS will be automatically configured. This is what RODC server. Now as you see the name read only, that means what? You don't have the right permission on that server. It's read only. In DC, what we can do, we can create user, we can give permission, whatever one we can do it, right? But in read only, you don't have the permission. Whatever is done in Active Directory, it will automatically transfer to the RODC. But in RODC, you cannot do any changes. For that, you need to change the domain controller. I will show that what to do. See, you can see say computer DNS computer something configuration has been good done. Ah, use backup means what? Why we use backup? That is what I understand. It will happen automatically. Now can you see the exact copy? Same as when we log how we logged in DC. See. Microsoft Administrator, it's same migrated here. This is what RODC server. But yes, you need to do one more step over here. Now it is in right permission. We need to make it as read only. See, DNS is already installed automatically. And if I go to DNS, everything is there automatically. This is what RODC server. But now I can edit it. Like if I go to users and computers, here I can make changes. I can create all the things, correct? Hmm? So what we need to do is we don't want this write permission in this RODC server because RODC server is read only. Right now it's there is a write permission. I can create anything. How to change this? We need to make these changes. So how to do it? Right click on Active Directory, change domain controller. Here right now it is in dc.microsoft.com, current directory server. I need to make it as rodc.microsoft.com, that is read only. So select this, click on OK. The selected domain controller is read only. You will not be able to perform any write operations. Done. Now you cannot create anything. If you want to create anything, you need to change the domain. Then only. Otherwise, whatever records, users, computers which is there in DC, it will be added. Everything will be transferred over RODC. So it will act as a backup. If anything happens in DC, at least you can retrieve the data from RODC. Is it clear? Clear? So this is what DNS zone transfer and RODC server, how to create it. So it depends on the situation what is required. If it is a situation that only DNS is required, then DNS zone transfer. If the situation is like they want Active Directory also, at that time RODC server you need to do it. So any queries till now? Any queries you want to ask anyone? I guess there is no queries. Everyone is clear, I guess. Okay then, so try to do this 2 topics, then we are going to go with the next topic. That is folder redirection. How client stores their data and it will automatically redirect to your server. That is folder redirection. Okay then, so practice. See you tomorrow.